respected chairperson, chief guest, teachers, my dears and my lovely brothers and sisters. I am Unikunab from class 10 of Social Academy Bardea School. Today I am standing in front you all to say about this farewell program and about some memories. Today is not just a normal day. Today is the most grateful and happiest day. Today is the very special day for us because today is the farewell program of the first batch as students of the school. We are so lucky to say that we are the first batch of ASU students in the Social Academy Bardea School of 2002. From 5 years ago, I entered this school and studied from when I read in class 6. That time, I don't have many friends and slowly I make many friends and I make many memories with them. We are playing, dancing, singing, reading, studying with each other. Sometimes we are fighting also and the teacher also gives punishment. Then more than that types of memories. We have been created in the school life and now I realize how fast time are going. That all memories are sweet and very unforgettable. Thank you to our senior friends from class 9 to organize and decorate this very beautiful farewell program. We are so happy to have friends, brothers and sisters like you. Then also thank you to our principal sir, our Divakar Sharma sir for working very hard for creating clean and beautiful environment and to reading and teaching for teachers. And also thank you to all of the teachers for giving us so many important knowledge. You give us motivation to study time. You all are teachers so nicely and greatly. We all are respected, all of our teachers. And our chief, our boss of the school, our Mr. Sharma sir, thank you for motivating and teach us to how to make future, how to study and also gives us advice for how to become a successful person in our life. We are also staying in hostel and our respected sir, our professor, thank you very much for guiding us like our guardian to feel like a home. And our all of the teachers, very thank you. We are so fortunate because of we have teachers like you. From upcoming days, everybody are going to face their own path to pray to build their future dreams. School is not just a place for study. School is the form of time where our creativity and hidden talents are shown off very farly and making memories. And lastly, I say that to my all of the friends, brothers, sisters, for study hardly because your fathers, your mothers, your brothers, your sisters, all of the family members are waiting for your success. That's why always focus and bring your faces to your goals. Only concentrate your achievement to show that you are the greatest son, you are the greatest future daughter. Move ahead because failure is the first stage of success. That's why don't afraid when you are down right. And I miss you a lot. I miss my school. And we all are now to that student of class 10. We all are miss you a lot. We miss our school, our teachers, our memories, our playground, and all of them. Thank you.